Welcome to the final 2 weeks of class. I just wanted to share some information on grading, as that's kind of important to you all, I bet. And also to give you some real tips here. The last 2 weeks are incredibly important as it relates to grading because most of the points you'll see in a moment come in the last 2 weeks, and about a third of the points come in the very last week. And so you may be cruising along right now, feeling pretty good about where your grade is. But I just want to give you a cautionary tale going forward, okay? I'm going to review some information up here that is in the syllabus, but I did a research project a while back, and the result of that research project was that 60% of students don't read the syllabus. And so I try and hit students on every front here. So hopefully if you didn't read the syllabus, you're going to watch this video. There are 1,000 total points available in this class. And here is the grading scale. It's not based on percentage, it's based upon total number of points, okay? And so grading in graduate programs are much more aggressive than in undergraduate programs. So where in the undergraduate program you may have had a 90% and that was an A. Not the case here. So in order to get an A in this class, you need 930 total points, not 929, and round it up because we don't do rounding here. So you have to have 930 total points or above to get an A. 900 to 929 is B+, and so on and so on. And so just make sure that you're very clear on this, that if you get 929 points, you're going to earn a B+, not an A rounded up, okay? And then here's how the points are collected throughout the class. Discussions are 160 points total. Short answers are 210 points total. Tests includes 70 points total. Your paper submissions for the first 6 weeks are 300 points. And then your final paper submission in week 7 is worth 260 points. And so what I wanted to really stress here is the paper is worth 56% of your total grade. So discussions, short answers, tests, not that they're not important, but they don't carry the same weighting as the paper does. The final paper submission is 26% of your total grade. So in week 7, when you submit that final paper, it's going to be worth more than a quarter of your grade, all right? If you take the 300 points from weeks 1 through 6 and the 260 in the final week for the paper, that is nearly 1/3 of the total of your total grade is attached to that paper. And so I just want to stress this. Grades going into the final week can be pretty deceptive. A's can turn into B's very, very quickly. B's can turn into C's very, very quickly. And grading gets tougher as you go on because you've had several weeks of me commenting on your papers. And so in the first few weeks, grades were pretty high, and then as you get more feedback from me, as you hear more things, I get tougher. And I do that because you've gotten feedback from me, and I expect to see that feedback reflected in how you approach your paper. So I just wanted to share that with you and really encourage you to make sure, again, that the last 2 weeks you focus a lot of time, energy, and effort because it is worth nearly 1/3 of your total grade, particularly in week 7, okay? If you have any questions about that, make sure you reach out and let me know. Take care.